I'm a little bored. Maybe we should make like a quick cocktail video. Maybe we could use that Li Hing Mui powder. You know, like in the book there. Maybe you still have that syrup though. Could do a follow-up thing, you know, like from the book. You don't have any Drambuie. We could buy some. Really? Just for this you're gonna buy a Drambuie? You buy any dumb thing, you dum-dum. I mean, couldn't we just use Benedictine as a substitute for Drambuie? Well, I mean, they're both herby, I guess, and sweet. Yeah, and we could put some scotch in it. Let me think about that. Let me get this straight. Rum, scotch, lemon, Li Hing Mui syrup, and Benedictine. I mean, how bad could it be? Oh yeah, man, it's pretty good. Herbal and tart. Yeah, it's nice. What, you made it already? What about the montage? People love that montage. Gotta get that montage. Fine, people love the montage. So should we buy the Drambuie? Where are we gonna keep this Drambuie? Let's buy the Drambuie. Just go ahead and buy it. Enough with the bottles of Drambuie. More liqueurs. We could just buy it. Who cares? Just get the Drambuie. Or no more. No more. Enough's enough. Enough's enough, I say. No more. We're calling it quits. We're calling it quits.
For fuck's sake, just buy the Drambuie.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.